Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Today we have a Subaru Impreza and we're going to do a coolant flush. Alright. A coolant flush and an oil change. Alright.
Alright, let's tackle it. Rustbucket Redemption.
Dude!
Alright, you got this.
Wow. I mean, you ran over my toe.
Wow, that's weak sauce right there.
1, 2, 3. Wow, that's pretty good. Let me show you how it's done.
There we go.
So we're trying something else new. We got these things. We're gonna see how they work. Not sure if his Subaru will make it up, but we'll find out.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Alright guys, so it's up. Just look at the stance.
Subarus, they like the Jeeps.
We have an oil pan and a wheelie board.
And some rags.
Run.
Alright, so you need a 17 mil on a 1/2 inch ratchet. Plugs right here. If you just locate it, literally, it's like the first nut or bolt you see under when you look under the car.
Now you want to make sure that you don't spill all over my dad's driveway.
What? Ow, my fingers! I just ran over them all. You want to make sure that when you take this off, you don't get your fingers all oily. And I don't want to brag, but kind of a pro at this. They call me Clean Fingers Rusty Pete. This is where my quick fingers come in.
Say it, Spice Cowboy.
Smells like coffee.
And it tastes like it too. Once all the oil has dripped out, then you tighten up this bolt again. Alright, so the oil filter is kind of like hiding right in this little area right here. And it makes it really hot to reach your hand in, because if you touch the exhaust, it's still kind of hot. So I'm gonna let someone else do this. Do it.
I'll do it.
Isn't it like a tool?
Do the tool.
Yeah, it's called your hand. There he goes for the oil filter.
Oh, wow, it is kind of warm up there. It's actually not that bad though. Compared to what I was doing yesterday.
What were you doing yesterday?
Oh, wouldn't you like to know, weather boy? And remember, safety first.
Alright. I mean, I am stronger than you, so.
Oh, right.
Remember I beat you with my left arm?
Yeah, but I beat you with my right, so. Hot.
I always buy Fram because they have this nice little grippy bottom part. So when you're twisting off the oil filter, you have a nice grip. Fram. Or
Nothing.
Alright, fine, I'll loosen it. Doesn't help but my hand's covered in oil.
get your girl hands out of here.
Hey, let me try with the rag.
Man, this oil filter is just really on there.
Wow.
Wow.
Alright, we got the tool. Show them the tool. Beautiful. Alright, let's get this thing off.
Here, do you want the tool?
Yeah.
It's making weird noises now, so we think it's working. Hey! It's loose!
Really?
It's loose!
Really?
It's loose!
Yes!
Whoa.
Wow.
Ladies, he's taken. But I'm not.
It's not coming off.
Turn it.
Twist it, man.
Turn it.
I am.
Yum. Nice.
Let's get it.
It's like Augustus Gloop in the River of Chocolate.
Alright, it's your car. If it blows up, not my fault.
Just a second.
Rusty Pete seems to think we need a funnel, but I choose otherwise.
Oh man, that comes up fast. Yeah, get a funnel.
This engine takes 4.5 liters of oil.
I know what I'm doing.
I would drink that.
Yeah, honestly. It smells like haichu. It smells like haichu. It smells like haichu. Confirmed. 5W30 smells like haichu.
Now, I know you guys are probably wondering, what do I do with all my old oil?
Yeah.
I wonder that every single day. But thanks to Handy Dan, he taught me what to do with this old oil.
Did?
Take it away, Handy Dan.
What am I doing?
We take the old oil and we dump it into the oil thing that we just used. You take it to your local oil change place and they usually take it, but if they don't, I just leave it on their doorstep and run away. Well, we just finished the oil change part, but we're gonna take a little break.
Honeycombs. Deadly.
And so, this is the best dessert ever. It's called trifle. It's a layer of cake, then a layer of whipped cream, then a layer of pudding, then some blueberries, then another layer of cake, then another layer of whipped cream, then another layer of pudding, and then some more blueberries.
I'm eating honeycombs.
Now we're gonna drain the coolant.
Hey, bro.
Alright, now we have to get the coolant plug. It's down here.
Where is it?
Right there. Make sure that you put a pan underneath so coolant doesn't drip all over your driveway. Coolant plug loose. I'm gonna pull it out now.
Now, we don't really know where it's coming from. but we do have an idea. It's coming out now. It sure is. Ah! Oh shoot! What? It's everywhere!
It's raining.
Oh shoot, it's down there too.
Wow.
Why is it doing this? Well, you win some, you lose some.
One.
This is what the drain plug looks like. Oh no!
What'd you do?
I lost the O-ring.
Don't worry, I got a second one.
I thought you were getting an O-ring.
I don't have any O-rings.
Go get another O-ring.
Kidding, I'm pretty sure I have some O-rings. But not for you. You spilled oil over in my driveway.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes and it's still draining.
Rusted Pete lost the O-ring, so we have to go find a new one.
Okay, so I'm just looking for a new O-ring. So I got these washers here, and I think it'll work as long as it's rubber. Alright, so it's raining really, really hard, and all the rain on this plastic is making it really loud. Well, I'm gonna put in the new plug because all the coolant is leaked out onto the ground. So I'm gonna put it in now. Okay, the plug is now tight. We're gonna pour some coolant into the radiator. Alright, so we got antifreeze and we're gonna put it in here, but just half. We have a new drain funnel that we're using. So let's hop to it. You guys can see this. Oh, look at this rain. It's absolutely insane. Look at the ground. And we're nice and safe because one step in this direction and it's raining.
Now we're gonna burp it. To get all the air out, I need to turn on the car and let the liquid seep in. Now we are going to burp the car. All you need to do is just turn the engine on, and it'll let all the air out, just like burping a baby.
You see how the air bubbles are bumping? This is called burping. Because the engine's running, all of the air is coming out of the radiator, and that's good, because you don't want air in your radiator. You just want coolant. Okay, so you don't want all coolant, you want some water. You want a 50-50 mix. So this is my personal drinking water, and I'm gonna pour it in this car. There's some smoke coming from the engine. Not really sure what it is, but we're gonna find out. It smells like burnt toast. I think I'm having a stroke. You can see the green coming up from the depths. It's actually pretty hot too, so you should touch it.
Okay, it's pretty much stopped raining. We've got coolant in it. We flushed out the old coolant and we replaced the oil. We got new oil in it. We replaced the little oil filter. And now all we have to do is get this puppy off of these stands and then put the stands away.
Need a hand? Well, leave us a thumbs up and email us at rustbucket.redemption.com.
Also follow us at rustbucket.redemption on
And
Instagram.
don't forget to subscribe.
We don't have Instagram.
Oh, should we get Instagram? Let us know in the comments if we should get an Instagram account. Well. Get that oil out of there.
Did oil get in my hair?
Yeah, a little bit. Get Zoe to scratch it out for you.
Stop.
Oh, you like that?